Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue if Instagram notes are not showing up on your iPhone. First, open the App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Instagram and open the apps page. You need to check if there is an update available for Instagram. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap it. Once the update is complete, open Instagram again and check if the notes feature is working now. If it's still not working, no worries. Here's another method that often helps. Go back to your iPhone home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then choose iPhone Storage. This may take a moment to load. After that, scroll through your list of apps or use the search bar at the top to find Instagram and tap on it. Now you'll see an option that says Offload App. Go ahead and tap on that. This will remove the app but keep all your data. Once the offloading is done, you'll see the option to reinstall the app. That's it. If it worked for you, consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tutorials.